everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and delete a user there in your Zendesk. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. Without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go to your mobile's browser, open it up, go ahead, search zendesk.com. You will see this kind of interface where I will zoom in for you guys, and if you go to your left side right there, you will see this kind of options given. So what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on this two human icon right there, zoom out, and now you can see the users and the customers that you have right here. So I have this another user, right? So what I will do is I will tap on this name, tap on this person's profile, and as you can see, this kind of interface will end up opening up where you can see this shows tickets 0. So if I go to my right side, I will be able to see this kind of option with this drop down arrow. Go ahead, tap on it, and then you will be able to see this delete option, direct a delete option for a user. Go ahead, tap on that delete option given, and then you will have this confirm option. Then you can go ahead, tap on this OK option. As you can see, that person is now removed from my user right there. So guys, that's how you can go ahead and do it if you want to remove or delete a user from your Zendesk. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.